Today on the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel, I'm finishing up the birdcage on the Misfit split project, so be sure to stick around.
So we're at the movies, huh?
Yep, we're at the movies.
So to recap, this is my Misfit split build, which is built from a lot of other cars. The frame is a 78, which is being backdated to a mid-year frame. The birdcage is from a couple different mid-years, primarily a split window. I have different split window panels for the roof, a 64 rear clip, and I have a lot of other panels coming for it as well. But I've had to hand make a lot of pieces. I bought everything new pretty much that I could, which is a lower windshield. I had to repair some of these supports, bought new rocker channels, and inside the door jamb I had to make these pieces, was able to buy brand new gutters and stuff like that. But this has been a lot of work. I probably put hundreds of hours into this birdcage, but it's almost done, just needs a little bit more grinding and welding. But right now let's do a recap. So now I'm going to fix this corner that's completely missing. I have to remove the whole piece because this whole piece is just rotten out. And I stole a piece of a convertible corner, so I can at least use it for this portion. I'll have to cut this part off, and I'll make this back part, graft the two together, and this should be nice and strong. So to make the one piece, I'm going to make 3 pieces of metal and weld them together. So I have my 3 templates here. I have 2 of them made up. This one started off as a perfectly straight, flat piece of metal, and by using by first of all bending it in the vise and then using my shrinker and stretcher, I was able to get this kind of crazy shape. I'm happy with the way the front of the birdcage has turned out. Before I start to lock everything down, start to fully weld everything, I want to start working on the back because this area here is missing and the stuff up here is really rusty. There's a lot of holes in here. I started making this piece. I need to finish the front whenever I blend the windshield together. But right now I need to take out this corner and that corner. And I have a little bit of this pillar on this side, and everything else down here I'll be fabricating. I have a new corner for this side. This one is very dented and beat up, and this is very holy. That's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot more videos coming up on this car. I have some videos where I'm backdating the chassis. I'll be putting a roll bar in this, and then I'll probably have something on doing the gutters and sending the birdcage, the roll bar, and the frame off to powder coating. So there's a lot more stuff to come, and I have to build, the entire car. That's a lot of videos. So be sure to check all those out. So I got a lot of work to do. I'll catch you guys later.